Hello and welcome to day 2 of the 7 days of summer and the Friday freebie. So here is today's Friday freebie. It coordinates with the 7 days of summer. There's journaling cards, some labels, and different strawberry ephemera. So there's that. And then the 2 pages I'll be working on for the 7 days of summer is the collage sheet, and this one with lots of cards from Julie. All right, how about we start with the 7 days of summer little project. And again, if you would like to download this, you can join Cara, Brandon, and Friends, and it will be found in the file section. I remembered I have a bunch of this fabric that I put double-sided tape on the back, and now it's like fabric washi kind of, and I have tons of it. I was going to list some in my Etsy shop, and then COVID happened and I stopped doing a lot of mailing stuff. Anyway, so I found 2 pieces that I think look cute that will coordinate, and what I'm thinking is I'm going to attach the fabric pieces here, so this is kind of like a little flip. I've done something like this similar in the past. All right, I need scissors. I think that will work. So yeah, it just has double-sided tape, and then you can just peel it off and then it sticks. Kind of fun. Okay, so I added some coffee dyed paper, did some stitching. And now these are ready. This is going to be my cover, and so I want the fold to be like this, so that opens, and then this one will fold like this. All right, so I'm going to lay these out like that. I think I'm going to put it like that. And I want a little space in between so they close. And there we go. All right. And then we'll do this one, but I think I'm going to flip it this way. A little more space. Oops, try and keep it straight. There we go. So that folds and then that folds. We need a little closure somehow. All right, so now I have like this little fold out journaling card. I don't know what to do for that. Let's see. And then I thought this other fabric would be fun as a little decoration. I'm going to use my pinking shears. I can add some of this. And then maybe a strawberry in the corner. I used my 1-inch punch to punch that out. There we go. And maybe one over here. I'm sticking to my nail. Come on. Go. We'll put the lemon. Like that. Cute. And then that can just fold over. And then next up, we're going to use day 2, the collage sheet. And I was watching some YouTube, and I saw Roxy's creations, but it was her oh, what does she call it? Weekly challenge. I don't think it was this week. I think it was a few weeks ago. She made a cute little pocket, kind of like this. And then you have a tuck spot here and here and here. And I thought, oh, the collage sheet would be perfect. So now I just have to remember how to do it. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, fold it this way. All right, so you fold it hamburger style first. This way. So then you can decide what do you want to have in the front. Excuse me, she didn't fold it all the way to the edge, so there's a tuck spot here. And it looks like I didn't trim my paper completely square. And then there's a fold here. You don't want to go all the way to the edge. And you have something like that. Here's this one. I have a piece of this gingham. There we go. And then I'm just going to glue that down. I just thought it was a really cute pocket, and I don't think I've made one like this before. Oops, I don't need glue there. And then I'm going to add glue down here, or maybe I'll add it here. And this will stay closed. And then it would go like this. Now I think I'm going to add glue here, unless you wanted this a pocket, but I think I'm just going to have a side, 2 side pockets. Yeah, so we'll add some glue here. And then I guess at the bottom. There we go. And the other thing I think I want, oops, is a little divot here, so I know that this is a pocket. Maybe a little more. There we go. So that's a pocket. That's a pocket. You could do here, but I think, let's glue this closed too. I think I'm going to close this to make it so it's a little more stable, and then just have the pocket behind. So then this would be a pocket. That could be a pocket. I could, there we go. And then I don't like how I trimmed that. And then I'm going to add another thumb hole right there. Man, I'm making a mess. All right. There we go. Yeah, it's cute. It is cute. It's a fun pocket. All right, so I'm going to set that aside. And now we need to work on something to go in the pocket. And Julie, for her day 2, has all of these journaling cards. Like that one is cute just as it is. Might need ink. You know what? I have some oxide sitting here. What do we? Maybe green. Let's do green. Just can't not do it. Add a little brown. little bit. Just a little, oops, a little bit. That one's just cute like that. Let's see. I have my red gingham. Let's use my pinking shears again. And then maybe we could put this. It's not the quite red, the same red, is it? This one maybe. Yeah, let's try this. Ah. And this fabric doesn't want to trim. There we go. There and there. All right. Joining along, use the hashtag 7 Days Summer Digi 2021, and then we can find your makes. That one's a little tall. I think I'm gonna add something to do some of this. A little tab to pull on. Oh, come on. There we go. And I have some really cute red for Christmas, but I thought it was perfect. Oh yeah, look how cute that is. That's cute. They're like little strawberries. Tuck this here. And then I think I want to decorate down here. Maybe a little fabric. And, oh, there they are. I was looking for my little strawberries. I think this would be cute. Like that. All right, a little ink. So this one is from my day 2. No, it's not. It's from the freebie. Which you can download from joining Cara, Brandon, and Friends. Like that. And like that. Cute! this, we have this. That's cute. And then you can put something back here, which could be, I could fold this and make a little book out of it. I might do that off screen though. Yeah, that'd be cute tucked in. I also think this one would be cute with another, like you back it with something, and then this could be something that you place when you want to write in your journal. Okay, I'm gonna clean up and I'll be back to show you what we made. All right, I'm back. So off camera, I made a little book. I have a little tuck spot for one of Julie's cards. And it has some pages. And then I found this little ladybug in my stash, and I put a couple flowers, red and green. And then I made a little cluster. And then this guy can slide back here when this is attached to a page. And won't that be cute? I can't wait. All right, so here are my day 2 projects, and then here is my Freebie Friday. Freebie Friday. I always have to be careful with how I say that. And I still need to figure out how I want this to stay down. Maybe when I put it, I don't know. All right, well, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Bye-bye. No, that's not how I wanted it. Nope. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. All right, now I'm gonna back it with coffee dyed paper.